thought I'd show you about a bit what I do when I'm backtesting. So I've gone back to a random bit in the chart. Just gonna have a bit of a look. So we are in like a bit of a messy uptrend. It's messy but it's going up. A bit of a zoom into where we are. So this is where we are. Got a forward fair value got there. Forward order block there. In the fair value got now. Go down into the 1 hour. See the fair value got being respected. So far. It's going to mark out the Asian high and the Asian low, which is actually there. So that's been swept already. Could look, possibly see what we're looking like in there. So if we go into the 15-minute, we've also got a fair value got down here. I'll mark that out, and that is the order block creating the fair value gap just there. So we'll mark that one as well. I'm not going to do a big box for that one though. Go into the 5 minutes and see what we've got. So you can see we're starting to get a bit of a rejection from the fair value gap there. Could look to take a possible entry from around about here, just for like a scalp. I'd like to see it up to the Asian high, but I don't know. I don't think it'll get up there. So I just put like, I'll be watching this in real time. Let's target like maybe a 1 to 3, 1 to 4. Go, we'll see if we can go for that high. See, let's see if we get topped in. See if we get topped in. No, we didn't. I don't know what that. All right, we in. I'd probably take profit off the table around about here. TP hit. That was at that high. So that was a 1 to 4.7. Like I said, I would have took profit off the table around all there. Pretty clean trade, sniper really. Type of trade that I really enjoy. But now we're in like this bearish fair value gap here, so I would probably have closed the trade there and see what happens from there. So we've got that. That's now the London low. So yeah, it rejects there. It's took out London low. I'm going to pause it and just have a bit of a look. So we've got this fair value gap down here still, but it's at a, it looks like it's come down and just filled the first fair value gap that we marked out in the 4 hour. It's had a big rejection. We'll see what happens from there. Yeah, that's, so it's, that low's now respected this low, so I can mark this on as a sort of respected low area. It's the type of pattern I would possibly take a trade off. So that's a respected low. This is like an area that I'm now interested in buying. Just there. So my targets. This is going to be New York opening, I'd imagine, in about 30 minutes from now. So I'd probably put that as one of my targets, and my overall target will probably be up there. But like I say, whether it gets up there or not, I don't know. For this one, I'm going to put a stop there, below this low, because this one is a respected low. So I think if price comes down past this low, it's going to continue coming down. So I'm just going to use this low as my stop loss. That would be a 1 to 3, which I would take profit off the table. My overall target's up there. Like I say, that's Asian high. Whether it gets up there or not, we don't know, but I would be break even past this point, definitely. And I'll be taking profit at 1 to 1 or just over 1 to 1, just to make the trade a bit break even, so we'll see how it plays out. Right, we tapped in. TP1 done, TP2 done. Alright, so we got the 1 to 3 that we marked out earlier. That was there. Whether it goes up there or not, I don't know, because that does look like a pretty strong area, to be fair. Right, so the New York session is finished now, so I would have closed this trade, because I don't hold trades over the weekend and it's a Friday. We're going into the Monday now, so that would have been, my trade would have been closed around about here for a 1 to 3. So now we're going into Monday. So that was a pretty good trade. Tapped in from the area I was interested in. Clean my chart up. I've done it again. I've done it again. Done it again.